What is going on YouTube? How's you guys doing tonight? Hope everybody's having a great evening, great day, great whenever you're going to see this video. Sweet Rockin' here, bringing you a 2011 Playoff Contenders box break. 5 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. This will be my fourth box, and we're going to look at a 4-0, last 2 numbers. Let's hope this thing got something MOJO in it. I'm using MOJO again for the second night in a row. Wow, and you can tell that I've been away from cards. So let's go ahead and break this box, see if we can't pull anything good out of here. I'm hoping. I'm due for something here soon. Gotta get me something in here. Hope we got some nice cards in here. I've been pretty lucky pulling a lot of extra hits. We got 24 packs, guys. Hope everybody's having a great evening. Base, Brent Jones, 49ers, not numbered, but it's an insert. Base. First hit is a Chris Harris sticker auto for Denver. Base. I think every box that I've had has had a hit in the first row. Base. We got rookie roll call Alex Green insert, not numbered. Base. I think we got a redemption. Yeah. I'm tired of these redemption guys. Base, rookie card, playoff ticket, 218. Let's see what that is. Playoff contender, RPS rookie tickets, 218. And that is so you're 218. Titus Young. So 2 hits down, 1's a redemption. I've gotten 3 redemptions out of this product. Base. We got Dolphins, Clyde Gates and Daniel Thomas insert. Base. Here we go. QB Tyrod Taylor sticker auto for Baltimore Ravens. So that's pretty cool. Base. 3 hits down. Still looking for on-card auto. Zach Polento? I can't pronounce it. Sticker auto. Base. Base. We got rookie of the year contenders, Aldon Smith, not numbered insert. Base. We got playoff rookie tickets, Anthony Sherman, numbered to 99. And that is 99 of 99 So I guess you all call that at eBay 1 of 1. Nice little insert. Base. Super Bowls. That was Saints versus Colts. Base. Super Bowls, John Riggins. And that is Redskins versus Miami. Base. So I hope everybody's doing alright. I know the Pacific Northwest has had shitty weather. I was hoping for some sunshine. Is there another? '49er Tom Ratherman, Legendary Contenders. I'm just getting 49er inserts all day. Earl Campbell, Oilers, Legend Contenders, base. Rookie roll call, Christian Ponder. Insert not numbered. Base. Base. We're missing one on card. Base. Rookie roll call, Corey Luggett. Base. Base. We got Christian Ponder and Kyle Rudolph. Draft class. Insert. Base. Base. We got Blau Powell and Greg McElroy. Insert Jets. Base. We got Blaine Gabbert, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Insert. So we got 4 packs left. We should have one on card hit. Base. Holy crap, guys. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. I was due, guys. Cam Newton on card auto. Hell yeah. Oh man. That is awesome. That is how you want to end a break. 3 packs left. I don't even want to open them. Holy crap, guys. Yeah. Whew. Wow. Damn. God, I was due. 4th box of Contenders. I was due. Hell yeah. Oh my God. Holy crap. Base. Oh, we got it. Ooh. Delone Carter. Number to 20 insert. And this is... Oh no. It's 20 of 99. Cam Newton. Holy crap. Base. Oh man. Base. We got Delone Carter, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Base. Last pack, guys. Holy shit. Base. Aaron Rodgers Super Bowl. Base. Wow. Oh my God. Alright, so we got a redemption for Titus Young. We got Zach Palento, sticker auto. Tyrod Taylor. Chris Harris. And the man of the hour, on-card auto, Cam freaking Newton. Holy crap. Fudge. Guys, oh my God. Cam Newton, guys, look at that. Wow. Alright, guys, as always, I appreciate it. And you remember, too, keep rocking.